L. Oh. M.
Yeah.
What does the M say? And the N. O. What does the O say? P. Q. R. S. T. U. Or V. W. X. What does the X say? Y. Z. Z. How do you spell Sophie?
Sophia.
S. Good girl. And how do you spell Sophie? It starts with an S, right? S.
O. P. I. E.
Good girl. How do you spell Sophie?
Sophia.
S. S. What's your last name?
Sophie Saves.
Good girl. Good girl.